Okay, so it looks like this is from a historical trade. I think I pulled it off. Gary Williams posted on the Facebook group a trade from this month, September 2023, and so I went back to try to see if I could find it. It was a put, and that's all I put in a percentage gain. So I went through and I found on using a short chart. So I have the 144 here. Maybe I'll just put it right here. So we'll have 233 daily, 3-day, and the 144 right here. And I said, what I have written on here is that the 1154 candle, looks like it could have been the first candle. Well, that's, I think probably what I said was this was the decision chart. And then the action chart, the next one. I'm not sure exactly what I did, but that seems like that one. Let's just go off the decision was. And then the RUT, I'm actually not sure, but I'm not seeing. Oh, here we go. I'm just checking the other markets on a different screen. I'm actually not seeing straight line information on that one, but anyway, this is what we had. We had a straight line, 1, 2, 3, 4. Even if this one may not actually be crossing, probably isn't if I were to turn off the noise. Let's see. No, not crossing, but the other 3 are, so that's fine. Gonna come up to the 233. That's probably not quite crossing. Soccer SI, not really quite crossing there. We have a reversal in here, so meter wall of 80. We have a doji, and looks like it's really close to the top Bollinger Band. Multiple auto wave lines. Over here, what do we have? Daily up auto wave line and the green trigger fired. So I'm actually always on the short trades. I'm not sure which candle that you're looking at for. The call to color. If it were the 3-day, I mean, you could say this is potentially. I mean, really, this could be just going sideways. It could be standing still. This actually looks like it's more likely going. Oh, this is the 144. And also on the weekly, looks like it's kind of going sideways. So anyway, tough one, short to medium duration. And as far as the auto wave calculation, 478 or 479 minus 53 divided by 2 is about 453-ish. September, just after the kind of just right after the Super 6 year that ends in 3. Earnings were in late July, so probably some window. So in the 3 candle period, I say it'll decline to the 144.21 and pause. It might have to get out there. From there, it may decline to the 55 because this will have moved up by then. And the 233 is 34, and I guess also you have to consider this 13, and also potentially this rising 21. You have to get there. From there, it could decline to the 89. Actually, it doesn't look like I have all my lines turned on for some reason for this level, but I'm not gonna worry about it. Anyway, so I think I stopped when I got to the daily is 55. So right here-ish. Yeah, this doesn't have the other moving average lines turned on for some reason. Okay, so looks like I didn't write down what I purchased, but a 450. I don't know that I would have gone to 450. Maybe a 465 for this month's, or maybe a week 4. Okay, so let's just see what happens. I'll go ahead and throw a vertical line on here, just so I can kind of eyeball where it is. But oops. Delete. Okay, so let's go 1, 2. So oops, I stayed. Let's go 1, 2. Okay, so on the 144 you have doji, you have down auto wave line, 233 you have the rising 55 daily. There's a doji there. So I decided to stay. Now let's candle by candle. It kind of backtracks back up a touch, but nothing breaking. Oh man, where is my? Sorry, I lost my place. Sorry, I'll get there in a sec. All right, fine. Try this is not so good. Okay, here we go. All right, let's press on. One more candle. Okay, so now we have 55, 1. We have the 55, 21, 34. So this is 97. That first candle, I decided to stay the dailies at the 34. Let's go to the 218 candle. So from here, we're still at this. We have a down auto wave line. We have 55. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Bottom wick touched the rising bottom Bollinger Band. Stock size almost less than 20, basically at 20 there. We have dojis, 21, 21. So I said staying. So we have a doji, 55, less than 20. The screen line went deeper. Screen reversal, slightly, not much. 21 MA. There's also 55 doji, 21 MA. So I said staying. Okay, so the next candle, first candle the next day, we hit bottom Bollinger Band 144. I guess there's a 144 there. Less than 20 here. We have some stuff going on here, 34.89. Not really much going on there. So I said, let's give it another, let's keep going. Okay. Said keep going. All right, three in a row. Looks like the 144 kind of went through here. And that's the end of the day. And then let's go one more candle and see. So that closed down. I think I said exit here. We're on there's a down auto wave on the 144, but below it on stock size less than 20, very low, nearly crossing up. There's continuation here and here actually, but the down auto wave line on or below the 34.89, and you're on the rising 55. So I went ahead and exited here at 457.56 was that price right there, and I entered. I guess I'm not sure what I entered on. Looks like around 470. The close on that was 478, so it's pretty good, 20 points. But most importantly, I feel like I followed my thing. Let's see. Yeah, 478 to 457 in about a week. Short-term options, great gain. So that is that one.